Good morning from Tabo. We stayed at this Namse homestay, and this is Rajaji. Great service. I have not experienced service like this ever before. So if you do come to Tabo at any given point of time, come here. It's called Namse Homestay, and Rajaji will entertain you quite well. Well, leaving from Tabo right now. If any of you all ever come here, come to this guy. Just stay with him. The rooms are nice. They're not the best, but they're very nice. But you'll be amazed, absolutely amazed by how sweet that person is at his service, at how much he ran just to make sure we were comfortable. The food was spectacular. He's the cook, he's the manager, he's the everything. I never do this, recommend hotels and stuff because it's not something I do. But this, for the experience, you have to come here. If you're coming to Tabo, stay there, meet him. He'll greet you with a smile and he will smile till you leave. Alright, Danny?
Yeah.
See you.
Thanks, man. Yeah, cool.
See you soon.
Really
And
thanks.
yeah, ride safe.
Yeah, I will do.
And if you need help with anything, just hit me up.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes, if we'll get in
Alright.
big trouble. But I'm sure I'll be alright.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Slowly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Right, I'm off then, and you're off.
Yes.
Cool.
See you.
Yeah.
See you soon, man. Take care.
I'm sorry, sir. Okay, yeah, no problem. Thank you.
चलिए सर, थैंक यू. So any foreigners who go to View Village or anywhere this side, you have to get a permit from Gaza, which wasn't told to us at any given point of time. And yeah. That's the monastery of there. एक ही जाना.
ऊपर रोड से आया नीचे से.
नीचे से.
अच्छा तो रोड ठीक है जी.
हाँ, रोड ठीक है.
और निकुसरी वाला ठीक है.
क्या?
निकुसरी वाला रोड. निकुसरी जो नीचे नोड में. रोड खराब.
अच्छा नहीं, मैं तो अभी इधर से आया हूँ, टाबो से आया हूँ.
टाबू से आया. ठीक है.
This is the Gyu Monastery. So the story about the mummy is a couple of years ago there was a very massive earthquake in this valley, and VRO was given the duty to clear up the mountains and make the road. So while they were, one of the people who was doing the digging with the shovel hit something, and when he removed it, there was blood on the shovel. So now, of course, they were confused as to what it is. So they slowly dug it out, and they found this very well-preserved mummy, who is said to be in a state of meditation even now. And this is a story told to me by the monk yesterday from Dankar Monastery. That's it. It was 1475 AD. It's carbon dated to back then. Yeah, pretty cool. They also said after they found it, the nails and the hair would still grow for a while till someone actually happened to touch it and it stopped. And yeah, that's the story of the mummy from Gyu Monastery. After getting on this road, I'm guessing it's just going to be tarmac. All the off-roading part is done for this trip. I wasn't expecting this. What a pleasant surprise. Mauling Nala. अब थोड़ा कम हो गया पर हम भी स्लो हो गए, पर जैसे हम आगे चलेंगे हवा भी आ जाएगी। रास्ता बना है बहुत बढ़िया। पहुंच गए हैं हम खाप ब्रिज। Again, you see the transition in the mountains. Now we're entering the Kinnor Valley. Pretty close, I'm guessing. Hey. Look at these cuties. Hey, get up. Go in. Please take your puppies inside, they'll die. Look at the cutie. It's all green and pretty now. Like this side you can see it's not, and that side it still has that face of city. But here it's all lush and green. We are on top of the Satluj River. We've left highway number 6 and got on 505A to go to Kalpa. आज probably Kalpa मिलेंगे. Kalpa है 13 मिनट. देखते देखते हम चढ़ते जाएंगे. रश आती हुई, मैं इधर आती हुई. गाड़ी है भैया, कहाँ जाओगे? बच्चावाड़ी. कुनोची पहाड़ों वाला बोर्ड है. This route is officially in the Kinnaur district. Now the struggle begins to find a place.